follow the channel, you know we've been working on this Ford Ranger for my uncle. He smashed it into the back of a semi-truck in the ice, and we had to go find a parts truck and do some repairs. There'll be a link in the description of the complete video if you want to check that out. Now, we did have a nice straight black hood, but my uncle decided he wanted the red hood. So I'm going to show you how to eliminate these dents real quick and easy. Let's pull this guy out. There's the destructions. Wonder if I'll need them or not. Might as well check them out just to see. I'll save you a little time. Clean it, stick it, screw it. Installed. Eliminate. Who am I kidding? We're gonna hide them with this here bug deflector. First thing we did was use an adjustable wrench and kind of bend out the worst of the whammies. And if you see under here, we've got a little bubbling where that hood deflector is going to be sitting. So I'm going to go ahead and give it some wax and try to flatten it out. I'm using this highly classified tool. It's called a body hammer. We've gotten that pretty well flat across. Now we're going to wipe it down with the alcohol wipes that came with the bug deflector and get it cleaned up so the sticky stick will stick. 2 little alcohol pads were definitely not enough, but we made it work. Getting it centered up was actually a lot more difficult than I anticipated. It overhangs to both sides a little bit, but I think we're good. So now I'm going to lift up the hood, drill through the holes, and get the screws put in. So you throw the little screws in there with the plastic washers and call it installed. Check that out. Can't see no dents anymore. Looking good. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, guys. Just a small YouTuber trying to battle with those evil algorithms. It's not easy. If you want to see the whole build video going from this to this nice repaired pickup truck absolutely for free with this winch bumper and winch, check out the description of the video. I'll have a link for you. Otherwise, believe in what God gave you, guys. Take on some projects, build, fix, create. Till next time, keep building shit.